Hello, thanks for watching today. My name is Kathy Riddle and I'm an independent designer with Chalk Couture. If you have never heard of Chalk Couture before, you are not alone. We are a brand new company that just started in 2017 and we are taking the home decor DIY industry by storm. So I'm so excited to share this with you today. And because we are so new, this is an amazing opportunity for you to get in on the very beginning, ground floor of this business. This opportunity that I'm going to share with you will only enhance your current situation and will fit in with whatever that may be, whether you work full-time, part-time, stay-at-home parent, whatever it is, this will fit in with that and just give you a chance to earn some extra money. All right, so first of all, I want to tell you about our products, and then I'm going to show you how to use them, and I'm also going to show you some examples of our finished goods. Are you excited? I'm excited to share it with you. All right, I mentioned our silkscreen transfers, so they are reusable. That's right, you can use them up to 10 to 15 times. Pretty amazing. We also have two mediums to use them with. One is our chalkology paste. It is semi-permanent and water soluble, and our chalkology ink. And you can use both of these on any surface that you can imagine. The paste is removable on most surfaces and the ink is permanent. So anything you can heat set, like metal, glass, ceramic, fabric, t-shirts, linen, ink works perfectly on that, and you can heat set it to make it permanent. All right, so it is so easy. All you do is place the transfer, paste your ink or your paste on it, and peel it to reveal your amazing DIY project. All right, so now I want to show you some video and some photos of how easy and beautiful our product is to use. You ready? Here we go. What did you think? So cool, right? And so easy and so beautiful. You are going to be amazed at how awesome this product is. So I am really excited to talk to you more about it and tell you more. All right? Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.